We installed an old marble paver driveway. We used a combination size by the house, and the entire driveway going up the hill we used tumbled G32 limestone pavers from the Gappsi stone collection. This is supposed to resemble a Belgian block, but without the cement joints in between. We are in the process of cleaning the driveway for the last time for the homeowner after the installation. It's a beautiful home built in Belleterre, overlooking the Port Jefferson Harbor. We installed drains to collect water going down the driveway, and we created a double border to introduce the same pavers that we used by the house. We installed 2 columns for the gate that we also veneered with the marble pavers, matching the veneer we used on the house. It's the latest Gappsi natural stone driveway built in Belleterre, New York.